Which CNA jobs pay the most? Licensed Certified Nursing Assistants, or CNAs, have a variety of options and settings available to them as they pursue their careers, including hospitals, home health settings, and nursing homes or long-term care facilities. There are some differences in the duties required in each of these settings, and there are differences in the average salary that a CNA can expect. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports the average annual salary of a CNA in the United States as $27,470 annually, or $13.20 hourly. Although the reported annual salary span ranges from $17,951 to $31,314, there are distinct geographical differences that impact the average salary, and state-by-state averages vary. North Carolina has the lowest average pay with an hourly rate of $10.23, while Alaska has the highest at $18.24, followed by New York at $16.87. CNAs who work in hospitals have the highest average pay at $14.73 hourly. Specialized CNAs in this setting can earn substantially more. The highest paid specialties for CNAs include the ICU, operating room, telemetry, emergency room, and medicine and surgery. In fact, an ICU CNA in Seattle can earn up to $37,000 annually. This is the highest paid specialty location combination listed, although specialty CNAs working in these locations can expect a salary within the range of $18,663 to $35,648. Behind hospitals and CNA pay level are skilled nursing facilities, which pay about $13.20 an hour, and nursing homes, which average $12.84. Home health CNA salaries generally have a bigger variance in their range, depending upon the company that is hiring, the location, and the duties of the position. However, the average for these CNAs is $13.08 per hour. For free practice test study guides and flashcards for the CNA exam, please visit us at uniontestprep.com/CNA.